Alright, welcome back to another video, everyone. We have a severe thunderstorm warning right now in Wheaton. Just got back from Hinsdale South, playing some football, running some track. But if you look at it, it's dark this way. So there's a severe thunderstorm warning in Wheaton heading southeast at 35 miles an hour. And this is going to be a pretty interesting storm, because there's golf ball size hail projected within this. So if I were you, I mean, I don't know, I want to chase this. At the same time, I don't want my windshields to get cooked. So we'll see how it goes. It'll be in the next 20 to 30 minutes. We haven't done a storm video in a while, so this is pretty good. You can see the clouds are pretty dark and stuff, but I'll keep you guys updated. We're gonna be at Canes, so if something happens at Canes, something happens. I got some of my friends with me storm chasing today. Not really storm chasing, we're just gonna go to Canes together and maybe get some cool shots of the weather. But yeah, it's gonna be coming down shortly, so we'll see what happens at Canes. But look at this storm. Look at that base. I'm eating food right now, so I'm gonna go back in shortly, but this is a good storm base. This is some good content. Oh man, it's gonna get windy. Hopefully, it looks like it might just miss us and go north of us. But this is a pretty impressive storm. There's definitely hail within this. Like, look, you could see it moving. But hey, I haven't gotten good content in a while, so first mini storm of June. Severe thunderstorm. I respect it. It's been pretty windy out. Yeah. It's moving that way. Shouldn't miss us though. Someone forgot to put their windows up. Let's go, Jonathan. You got this.
Hey, now I can't drive summer now.
What's up, bro? What's up?
Anything to say to the 9 subscribers that are like 4 of them are you guys?
Oh, drive slow. Don't skid in this
There's
stuff.
gonna be a spider in your bed tonight.
Oh. Yeah, both sides of your pillow will be
Your
warm.
windshield's gonna get hit by hail.
Both sides of your pillow will be warm.
Oh my god.
Bro, it is coming down.
Damn. Dude, the heavy out rain, bro. It's gonna flash flood maybe if this persists.
Yeah, I don't know if I close on my windows.
Well, no, it's bouncing off the
Bro, not close your sunroof would be so bad.
Good thing I don't have a sunroof.
Dude, this is actually crazy.
Go to a car wash with all the windows down.
Bro, you're like a $500
Yeah, just go to the junkyard.
Oh my damn, this is actually crazy. Dang. I know, bro. Dude, look, it's actually coming down like crazy.
There's gonna be a rainbow outside.
Dude, this is really exciting. Being inside here, it doesn't do justice. Because, like, it looks way crazier from outside, but I don't want to get
outside.
Well, I don't want to get my phone all wet. It's gonna look like a crash, so I don't want. We can see from here.